Hello friend, today we are going to start the deletion operation on singly linked list. The deletion operation can be performed in three ways, like a insertion operation. In the previous section we had seen how to insert an element into the singly linked list. There are also three ways to insert the element in the linked list. First operation of insertion is insert at the beginning of the linked list, then insert at the end of the linked list, and insert the node at the middle or any specific position of the linked list. Now in the deletion operation we can perform the three way to delete the node from the singly linked list: the deletion from beginning of the list, deletion from end of the list, and deleting a specific node. These three are the way to delete an element from a singly linked list. Now first we see the deleting from the beginning of the list. Then we can use the following steps to delete a node from the beginning of the single linked list. First we check whether the list is empty or not. To check the list is empty, we check that if the head equal to null, then we say that the list is empty. The list is nothing but the singly linked list. If it is empty, then display the list is empty message and deletion is not possible and terminate the function. Now if it is not empty, then define a node pointer sorry define a node pointer temp and initialize with the head. Check whether the list having only one node. All the possibilities we have checked when delete the element from the list. If it is empty, then we display the message list is empty and deletion is not possible. If it has only one node, then we check that temp of next equal to null. Then we say that the first node is a one node, only one node contained in the singly linked list. If this condition is true, then we set the head node to null and delete the temp, setting the empty list condition. And if this condition is false, which condition? Temp of next equal to null, then we set the head pointer to temp of next and delete the temp. How we can delete the temp variable? To deletion of the temp variable we use the free memory allocation technique. So these steps are performed programmatically. We see below here. If the head equal to null, this is the function remove beginning, or we give any name to that function, void remove beginning. If the head equal to null, then we print the message list is empty. Else we create the temp node, struct node star temp, and we assign the head pointer to the temp. And if the head of next equal to null, then we assign head equal to null and free the temp. Free function is used to deallocate the previously allocate memory. The free function is a memory allocation function to deallocation the memory of the previously allotted memory. Then we free the temp. Else head equal to temp of next and free the temp. Then one node is deleted at the beginning of the linked list and the head assigned to the temp of next. That means head assigned to the next node. Head means the start node. Head is nothing but the start node. The start node is assigned to the temp of next and we delete the temp node. So one node is deleted, the message will be printed, and like that way we delete the element at the beginning of the list. Thank you friend.